you guys got some mail from Grandma.
So we're gonna open it.
What is it?
A Valentine card.
Aww. Whoa.
Mine has money.
Who sent you the card?
Grandma.
That was so nice of her to think of you guys.
Yeah, mine has money too.
Oh, wow.
Real lit.
All right, boys. I'm going to send this video to Grandma. So what are you going to tell Grandma? Look here. Grandma sent you a card, so is there something you want to tell her?
Thank you for our cards, Grandma. And thank you for putting money in them.
Aw, that's so nice. How about you, Henry? Is there something you want to tell Grandma since she was so nice?
Well, I have a dog tooth, and now I go to my hideout. And I'm setting up we are the dynamite. It does the police that test me.
Well, that's not what I wanted you to tell Grandma. Well, what should you tell Grandma since she was so nice to send you a card and money?
I begged the police with my bad eye stick.
Oh, that sounds terrible. I think you should say thank you, Grandma. Say thank you, Grandma. Okay. Well, he means to say thank you.
Henry,
Say bye, Grandma.
bye, Grandma. Henry's the meanest man.